Otherwise, we just note at the moment, and if we don't look into further studies of samples, it's just going to disappear. We may have a vague idea though, but yeah, it's when we go ahead and dig into detail. Annotated sample grant proposal, right? So let's just look at this. So the following annotated proposals are provided to aid in your writing process. Well, each of these proposals represent a successfully funded application. There are two things to keep in mind. The proposals below are financial products. No student started out with a polished proposal. The proposal writing process requires stages of editing where a student formulates their project and works on the best. Okay, so yeah, there are different samples here. Let's look at biological science. See, your topic can be anything, not necessarily, only for science we have a different topic. Whatever your topic is, format more or less is on the same line. So, when you are creating your portfolio, so proposal strength. So when you are you were saying, so when you are creating your portfolio, if you have try out different types of writing, maybe you can just indulge in one hypothetical case and come up with grant writing. Then you can have like a white paper. So try extending your knowledge in various different areas. So tomorrow you have like a bit of hands-on experience on different types of writing. Okay, this is pretty long. So more or less we'll just skim through it. The role of immediate early genes in the activation of gene. Okay, yeah, and not necessarily that you stick to these links. In fact, you can, if you have any idea in your mind, or if you have any field that you want to write your grant writing on, so probably you can just look for samples on grant writing for XYZ field, whatever field you have in mind, right? So it would work that way. So you can have a better idea to present a grant proposal in when you read something from your own field, right? It would give you a lot more insights, because when you're reading something relevant, when you're reading something that actually uses terms and terminologies to which you kind of understand, so it's only then that it would have a great impact.